What's going on, everybody? Something happened today at work. Drove my wife's car in. Drove fine coming into work. I went to leave, and it went into limp mode. It said that cylinder 2 and 4 are misfiring. So, gotta tow it home. I couldn't go over like 10 miles an hour. So, could have eventually limped it home, but who would have known the damage that I would have done. So, about to back up the expedition, take the FRS out the way, get my trailer, head home for the day, and I'll get the car tomorrow because sunlight's already going down and don't really want to be on base right now. I was already there for like 11 hours, so I don't want to be there any longer than I have to be there. Oh, man. So, I guess I will update you when I find out what happens. I might pull the plugs tomorrow, or I might wait until Friday to pull the plugs. I don't know. But I'm going to update y'all at some point in this video, because I'm just going to loop everything into this one video. So, you're welcome. Maybe. But that goes back to what I said about German vehicles. Don't get one. No, I'm just fucking with you. But, yeah, it's a bummer. Because I wanted to do some other stuff tonight. But, you know, whatever. I'll keep y'all updated. What's going on, wonderful people? As you know, you just probably saw that I had to tow my wife's car back to my parents' house because of a misfire issue that was really bad. So code reader said misfire detected. It said number 2, number 4. So we're gonna pull all of them just to check spark plugs and see what's going on. Hopefully that's all it is, so I can do spark plugs and coils. You're supposed to do those at 50,000 miles. And it's about 50,000 miles since the last ones have been done. I'm probably gonna order some more of these little clippy things, possibly, if I can figure out. I might as well just order them because they're probably about to just break off anyways. But yeah, let's dive into it and see what we can find. All right, so let's dive into it. Alrighty, there we go. Let's see, hopefully this works or fits. And of course, it does not. Alright, take 5,000. Number 4 might be the worst one. I got coil pack off. I can't even get it to seat. What the fuck? What the heck? What the hell? Yeah, that does not look good. It doesn't even look like the others. It looks like it's damn charred and melted and whatnot. Alright everybody, so number 4 spark plug is covered in plastic, I believe it is, from this core pack right here. Oh, is this the right one? Yeah. So take it over here from this core pack right here. It is all jacked up. So tomorrow I'm gonna go try to find some really skinny pliers and try to just pick the rubber out, and I'll bring my little shop vac thing that I have over here and try to suck it up as well. Try to get that last spark plug out, but it's definitely time for spark plugs and coil packs. Here's the spark plugs. I don't know where this other little rubber thingy went, but yeah, it's a mess. So spark plugs are right there. I think it's actually over here. Yeah, it's over yonder. Cool. Alright, so stay tuned. It's probably going to be a part 2 of this Audi video as well. So it's a lot of part 2s going on, because it's hard to try to fit everything into one video, but you know, we do what we can around here. We do what we can. Okay? Alright, cool. So don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you in a couple days, maybe tomorrow, whatever. It is what it is. Alright, see ya. Bye.